Thumbnails. Let's go straight into it. Okay, so with thumbnails, I'm gonna show you how to use AI called Nano Banana, and it's implemented in Nano Banana's website, Google. Every AI graphic website is now using Nano Banana, and the best part, Photoshop now has it in there. Open up your video that you just made, scrub through. Now, normally when we do the video, we should make our client or yourself do a smiling one. Hold the camera, do a smile just for the video, and pause for a second, and then move on so that you can use that thumbnail for your video. Sometimes I forget to do that. So I need to scroll through and find the best one I could find. So I'm gonna scroll through, and so this is the first one. Let's go ahead and take a screenshot. For Mac, it's Shift Command 4, and you get to go from corner to corner and then drag it over, and it saves it into a screenshot. Let's go ahead and find it on my desktop. Photoshop, okay, there it is. So you open that up, and before in Photoshop, oh my God, I'm a graphic artist. I used to make it all perfect and aligned and proper colors, but YouTube doesn't care for proper looking graphics. They want it eye-catching. They want it in your face and crazy colors and wow, because people only have a second to look at your image, and if it catches their eyes, that's what they're gonna click on. Highlight everything, go to Generative Fill, click on G, and make sure Nano Banana Gemini 2.5 is selected. And now there's a method of writing the prompt so that way it creates a YouTube title for you. So the first thing that you need to write down is YouTube thumbnail, so it knows what you're doing. So YouTube thumbnail, separate everything with comma. And then you're gonna put a small description of what you kind of want to see, an idea. So I'll say bunch of cameras on my desk, and comma, then bold text behind me, and in all caps, type in best monopod ever, question mark. And then type in high contrast, kind of remember this, high contrast, bright colors, excited expression. Always best to have a crazy wild expression that you look ridiculous in, but is kind of catchy on the phone. So leave it at that. Create excited expression, and then at the end type in 1280 by 720. All right, let's see what it does. Generate. I'm never gonna edit my own thumbnail because my own thumbnails look so boring compared to what Nano Banana does for you instantly. Look at that. Oh my God, that's so crazy. Really? I mean, the text is all crooked and a bunch of cameras everywhere. My face looks ridiculous, but this is a million times better than what I had originally made. So I'm already gonna replace my thumbnail with this one right now because this video is already uploaded. So, okay, let's go ahead and save it as a JPEG and save and just keep it in the medium. YouTube doesn't like big files, so you have to kind of save it in a lower qualities. There it is. You got your thumbnail up there. And then you could do another one, another prompt, put a second thumbnail and third thumbnail. Now that's going to the next level. If you feel a little lazy like I do sometimes because I actually like this first image, then you could just do title only and then set the test, 3 different tests. And then when you come down, there's an upload file. You could upload the photo.